Hey YouTube, I'm back again. Kind of messed up that other video when I showed the LED side marker lights. I was trying to do a cold start. Show you what I'm gonna do with my next install. I'm just gonna do a quick startup here. Let y'all hear the side exhaust. It has a restrictor plate that I'm gonna change out. I'm gonna make the car a little louder, but yeah, this is just a continuation of the other video. I kind of messed up. I'm a rookie when it comes to these YouTube videos. I just like to post some things up, show you my car, my journey. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick cold start here. This is with the restrictor plate from the factory. It's a little start here real quick. RPM, 3,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. But yeah, the restrictor plate that I have on there is factory, is real tiny. I got one from eBay. This is a 5/8 hole, so it's gonna make the car a whole lot louder. I'm gonna probably do this install tomorrow, so I'll do another cold start, and I'll post a video once this new side exhaust restrictor plate goes on. You know, there's a restrictor plate, but it's gonna be a whole lot louder since that hole is gonna be bigger. The hole that it has now is not even bigger than this. It's like a hairpin. I don't even know why they have it. I could remove the plate, but I kind of, you know, want to get a little noise, but not just, you know, freak out my neighbors. Anyway, I'll be back with the video tomorrow, guys. Thanks.